Hi everyone, so I'm back with another review come demo. This time I'm using L'Oreal's newly launched Bold Gold collection, and for this eye makeup I'm using the La Palette Gold. So first of all we'll start with this Lakme eyeliner. This is from the Illuminating collection and it's a very pretty emerald green color. So I'm using it as a base and blending it out. Now from the palette, I'm going to take this beautiful green and apply it all over my eyelid. So the colors are like very sheer, so you have to use an opaque base to get the maximum color payoff. Now I'm taking this taupey purple color and use it as my transition color and apply it in my crease. And I'll try and blend both the colors in the crease so there are no harsh lines. I was looking for a nice matte warm toned crease color in there, but the palette doesn't have any. Now I'll take this grayish black color and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes to add some depth. So when you blend these colors, they kind of become sheer, which is weird, and there's a lot of shimmer, lot of shimmer there. So for my kajal, I'm using this L18 Black Drama Kajal. I think this is the name, and I'll use it as my eyeliner as well, because with such looks I like using a gel eyeliner so that I can smoke it out and blend it. In the inner corner of my eye I'm using a shimmery gold shade, and that's it. Look I have come up with using L'Oreal La Palette Gold, and for some reasons I did not enjoy the palette much. The shades are really sheer, they have a lot of shimmer, and the palette is jewel toned. The shades in the palette do not appeal to me. I mean, I will not buy it if I see it on the counter for some reason. This can be good for bridals, but for me, I just cannot use it. This is not a versatile palette for me. I don't know how many looks I'm going to create using this palette, because there are not too many dark shades for me. This one is nice, this green, and these two are nice again. This is like a very nice taupey purplish color, and there is a nice olive also. The formula is not an issue. The formula is like soft and powdery. These are the four eyeshadows, and the formula is nice and powdery, but and it blends nicely, you can see. But you can buy it if you like jewel tone colors, like bright colors, and this can be a really good option. Now we'll move on to the lipsticks. So the gold collection has 7 shades, and all these lipsticks are creamy, very glossy, and they are not opaque or matte or long wearing. There are 7 shades out of 7. 6 are like nice colors, and one is like a gold, which can be used as a topper to add more shimmer to your lip color. So I'm going to swatch all of those shades one by one and show them to you. So let's get swatching. these lipsticks are really sheer. These have shimmer and these feel really nice, hydrating on the lips. And I'm trying out such formula after a long time, because I have been using matte formulas for almost a year now. So this is such a nice change because my lips are feeling so nice and moisturized. They're not feeling uncomfortable or dry, and I'm really liking it, especially this color. This color is really pretty. This is like a very nice plummy shade, and there are a couple of more shades. In fact, all the shades are pretty wearable because they are sheer. So even if you are not daring enough to wear an orange, the coral in this particular line is really pretty, and you can wear it very nice, very easily. So since these lipsticks are really creamy and very glossy, the staying power is pretty low, so you can have these like for good 2 to 3 hours, and then you'll have to reapply them because they will vanish once you start eating or drinking anything. So yeah, that's that. And I'm going to show you the gold topper, which is the last one. You can use it on its own or on top of any of the lip colors or any of the lipsticks that you have, and if you want to add a touch of gold there. I'll swatch it. It's like a very beautiful glittery gold. I'll just swatch it on the top of one of the lipsticks and show you how it changes the color. I've applied gold on this and this, and can you see they look more warm and very shimmery. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review come swatch video. For the eyeshadow palette, I was not impressed because of the color selection there. I cannot create too many looks using that palette, and there is no transition color because I really need a nice warm toned color for transition. I cannot use all the cool tone or all the jewel tone shades for my transition. It looks too much. It looks like a drag type color makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and swatching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. If you find this helpful, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, bye.